Hey, what's up? Thanks for tuning in. We have yet another unboxing video for drones under $100. Now, this is something I've never messed with before. This company is called Navigator by Propel, the Morph Plus compact folding drone with an HD camera, supposedly. However, for under $100, I'm sure the camera is not HD. The drone design is like several recent releases. Everybody went from the solid formal drone to everybody has to have the folding arms now. All the Mavics, the Mantis Qs, and a bunch of other smaller versions of it. So yeah, I figured I'd check it out and see the functionality of it or whatever. But we're gonna open this and see what's in the box and how this works. Supposedly it's app compatible, 2.4 gigahertz digital controller, mobile holder attachment, USB charger, 6-axis gyro, stable flight maneuverability, 3-speed setting, range up to 300 feet, compact design. Alright, so we are stuck. Maybe I opened this the wrong way. I don't think so, but you never know. Those don't even want to come out. Okay, beware, pieces may go flying. Does not compart. Don't know exactly what I'm missing here. Maybe this is all just one giant piece. Sneaky little bastards. You got tabs on the bottom of it. One. Two. Somehow I feel like just that part of the packaging was like $3 of the price. Anyway. Ta-da. There's that. So we have a battery, a charger, it's a really weird looking battery, screwdriver, some little additional props here, prop guards for indoor flights, Morph Plus, compact folding drone with HD camera. This is just the book, simple instructions. The QR code for the app for the mobile device. Brief overview, summary. Let's get this open, if we can. One, two. Jeez. Break it getting it out. There we go. Voila. So there's a drone. It's pretty light. Feels not incredibly cheap, but not the best built either. Arms do fold in, like it says, neatly. There's no interference with the other arms or anything. So we get the battery here. Goes in a certain way. So this is the front of the drone, so the lip of the battery goes towards the back. Pop it in. And it has lock and unlock pins to the top and bottom of it. Clip those down. Let's see, a remote here. They take the absolute crap out of this thing for no reason. Just the easy way. Insane. There we go. And there's the remote. This is, that's cool. This just pops off like so. Clips back in. We did it backwards. Yeah, top first, then the bottom. Controls seem to be firm on it. It's got the adjustability for if it's veering off one way or another. Also has the speed button here, followed by the stunt button on the opposite side. To take 2 seconds and get the batteries in this, and we'll see how it flies. So we got the drone in the the drone in the battery. Turned it on. It's connected. We have the app downloaded for the drone on my phone. This is the Propel 1890 app. There's a few different ones on there. It took me a minute to figure out what it was because they don't really tell you. So I had to actually scan it, the Wi-Fi between the drone and the phone, and figure out what it was and go from there. But we've got it established, it's linked up, so I'm going to try to simply launch it, see if we can go from here. I have established the link. You link it by doing the regular up then down, so I'm going to see if just pushing up will launch it. It does not. Oh, here we go. I'm assuming this button in the middle is to launch and land. We're going to try this out. So I'm going to push it now. Whoa. There it goes. That was definitely launched. Just leaning a little towards the front. I'm going to try the top of it back here. I think I got it about dialed in. There. Yeah. So it's not going to the front so much. It's pretty much hovering for the most part by itself. Not going back. Sometimes these take a minute to get together. Alright, now we're not too bad. There we go. CM2 try, well, in a little bit, that's not bad though. Kind of bring it down. Lights seem to like to blink when you go up and down. I guess that's kind of a cool feature. Let you know that it is changing altitude. So, let's see. The arms folded in on the back of it. No damage seemingly. The light is blinking. I think it's probably off of center, so I'm going to turn it off. Somehow it managed to stay connected to the phone even though it's off. Kind of weird. Turn it back on. I'm assuming that is the battery light. Well, anyway, right out of the box, first flight, it was easy to get dialed in. Seemed to hover pretty good, and I'm also sure if it had a more charge battery in it that it would also handle a lot better. But that was just a little out of the box on the Morph Plus Navigator by Propel. Seen it, thought it was cool, liked the design, even though it's quite widely used. I think somebody should have put a patent design on it, because they would have made a lot of money. But it's not bad. We're going to get a full charge on it, and then we're going to take it outside, being as it has the multi-speed option on it. That we're going to take it outside and try to work on it there, see what we can get for it outside, see how it handles in the wind and everything like there. Also, this light is really annoying. There's a little red light to the back of it that blinks as well. I'm just going to turn this off. Alright, so there's the Propel Morph Plus. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'll have another video up on this later. Thanks.